Yeah, let's go back since they missed it. Sorry, now start recording. Let's go back. Let's all sing. I'll make you sing your version then, or my version, whichever you want. What do you want?
Ours.
Our version.
Okay, because I don't know yours. You're going to have to sing it.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay.
X equals
negative b plus or minus radical b squared minus 4ac
all over 2a.
It's terrible.
Wait,
That's
we'll,
terrible.
we'll get it back. We'll get it back.
That's awful. You guys stink.
What?
I'm louder than all of you combined.
That's true.
Yeah, it is.
Go ask
It's a better way.
Miss Gritter taught us.
Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Hey! Better version. Better version.
Yours
It
doesn't
is.
have x equals in it.
It's implied.
Ours does.
It's implied, the quadratic formula. Okay, so here we go. We have to first get equals 0, so we subtract the 5. I identified A, B, and C. Like I said, I normally don't actually write those. I just use them, but for the first one I'm going to. And I'm a good little mathematician, so I write my formula. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Hey! I like my hey. I'm a good mathematician, so I'm going to write that. So x equals, b is negative 3. So I have a negative 3, which is positive. With me there? Negative 3 is positive. Plus or minus. Now, when you square b, it is always, 100%, always positive. Right? Because when you square a number, it's itself times itself. Will always be positive. So when I square that, that will end up being 9. Never should I see a negative number. Ever. Okay. Minus 4. A is 2. C is negative 5. All divided by 2 times 2. The other common mistake I see people is only put the radical over the denominator. The whole thing is over that. So let's clean this up. And if you have a calculator, this is not a large one, but some of them will get kind of large. You can literally type this in as you see it. I would not put the square root in. I just put the inside. So what is 9 minus 4 times 2 times negative 5? Do it, whatever you want to do it right now. Either in your head or with a calculator, one of the two.
What are we doing?
The inside of that square root.
Negative 31.
It is not negative.
Oh man.
It's 49.
It is 49.
I get negative 31.
You can literally type this in as you see it. 9 minus 4 times 2 times negative 5. Okay? But I see that negative and the negative. I know that made a positive, so I knew it wasn't a negative number in there.
Wait.
Yeah. Wait, what? I have 9 minus 4 times 2 times negative 5. Do your multiplication first, the order of operations. 8 times negative 5. It's negative. 8 minus negative 40, which is positive 40. I don't know why I've got negative 9. All I'm doing is clean up that inside. Okay? Now, couple of things. What if you did get a negative inside those square root? Put your breakfast back in your bag. What are you doing? Get rid of some brain cells with that hair or what? Oh, come on, you're killing me. You're killing me.
Get it back, Justin. Get it back.
You have flex time here in a minute. Come on.
I'm hungry.
Okay, what if you did get a negative in the square root? It is an imaginary. So until we cover that, we cover complex, but we have not covered complex with quadratics. So for this section, we will say no solution if we get a negative in that square root. Check to make sure you didn't mess up. Now, we have another section coming up, 3.8, that actually solves them with the complex in there. But until we get there right now, we're going to say no solution. Okay? But, okay, so here we go. We can actually just, what is the square root of 49? 7. So this is really really two answers. So I can go ahead and take the square root. By the way, I see a lot of people that really don't understand what they're doing. When I take the square root, it's gone, right? A lot of people keep writing the square root. When you take it, okay, what number times itself gives you 49? That is the square root. So I have two answers here. I have 3 plus 7 over 4 and 3 minus 7 over 4. I need to calibrate. So here I have 10 over 4. What would that reduce to? 5 over 2. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Divided by 4 is negative 1. Yeah.
Why isn't it negative 3 on the first B, like outside the row?
Because it was B itself is negative. Because you have a negative, negative 3. Okay. Now, this is an equation. So if you had time, what could you do? Plug it in. Let's check one of them. If I can scroll up here. I need to calibrate so bad. So let's check one of them by plugging it in. Let's take the easier one. Let's check the negative 1. If I can scroll down. So what was it? Help me out. Was it 2x squared?
Oh my god.